In this video, we're going to talk about 1.3, Objective 1, where we distinguish between observational studies and experiments. Let's go ahead and get started by asking this question first. What is the difference between an observational study and an experiment? In an experiment, a treatment is applied to part of a population and responses are observed. In an observational study, the researcher measures characteristics of interest of a part of a population, but does not change existing conditions. That's A. Determine whether the study is an observational study or an experiment and explain. A research study compared the memory retention of subjects when learning activity was followed by a brief period of wakeful rest and when a learning activity was followed by a brief period of distraction. So this is an experiment because it applies a treatment to the subjects. Let's look at number 3 now. Determine whether the study is an observational study or an experiment and explain. In a survey of U.S. employees, 41.8% of Black women say they are uncomfortable sharing thoughts about racial inequality. So this is observational, simply measured results, but didn't do anything to apply a treatment. Now let's look at number 4. Determine whether the study is an observational study or an experiment and explain. To study the effects of music on the body image, researchers played a song with a body positive message or a song with a body negative message to different groups of people. So this is an experiment because it applies a treatment to the people. Different groups of people are getting treated different ways, and the results are being measured. Last question here. Number 5, observational studies are sometimes referred to as natural experiments. Explain what this means. And in an observational study, a researcher measures characteristics of intent of a part of a population but does not change existing conditions. That's why it would be called natural, because you're not changing the natural existing conditions. So there we go. That's it. We'll come back next time and talk about 1.3 Objective 2. See you for the next video.